The Jordan Flight Court has recently taken the spotlight among Jordan Brand's emerging models, stepping in as the Jordan 4RM fades and the Jordan Session is still finding its place. Its momentum comes not only from collaborations like Tela who decides war but also from the brand's own design moves. A prime example is the Jordan Flight Court Oil Green, which surprises with a bold mix of colors and, for the first time on this silhouette, an extensive use of tumbled leather across every panel. This material upgrade adds depth and texture to areas that are usually matte, aligning with the current resurgence of leather quality emphasized in releases like the Awake Jordan 5 and the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. While true quality is best judged in hand, early impressions compare favorably, making the $115 unisex pair on Nike.com a notable release.